To change your phone number on Venmo, just open the app and log in. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the settings gear up in the top right. From there, go to either account or profile. The name might be slightly different depending on your version. Tap on your phone number, delete the old one, and type in your new number. Venmo will send you a text with a verification code. Just enter that code to confirm the change. If the code doesn't show up, you can tap Resend Code. You can also try texting START to 86753. That helps enable Venmo's short code messages with most carriers. Now, if you've lost access to your old number and you're locked out of your account, Venmo might ask you to verify your identity with something like an ID or bank info. You can also reach out to their support team either through the app or on their website.